Hi and welcome. Today's review is of the Sugar Beards Cherry Beard Balm. Now, this is the last of the Sugar Beards balms that I have got to test. 3 of them in total. There was the rhubarb and custard, the bubblegum and the cherry. All available from sugarbeard.co.uk. I've got the 10ml here to test, which will cost you £4. You can get yourself a nice big old 60ml size for £12, which isn't a bad price at all. Now, the branding, as I've said before, is brighter than the outfits I used to wear back in the 80s. You can't help but miss this brand, and their scents are just as bright as well. The cherry is my favourite scent out of them all, which surprised me because I thought it was going to be the rhubarb and custard until I got my snout into this one. It's a real deep cherry, like a glacé cherry, a pot of those sticky old glacé cherries, glass cherries. It is strong, it is an in-your-face scent, it is really, really good. But that's obviously in the tin. Once you get it on your beard, you just notice it every now and then. The scent just sort of wafts up, is that the word? It wafts up? It does. Right, enough waffling. Now, what I do like about these senses, confusion, that normally with a fragrance oil, you get that alcohol type background with these fragrance oils because that's what they're in. And that quite often puts me off of the scent itself. But the Sugar Beards products don't have that in the background, and so you just get the beautiful scent of the cherry in this case. Now then, this one, unlike the others, which were a nice pale creamy or white colour, it's more yellow. I don't know why that is. It's the same ingredients. Maybe it's the beeswax they've used is now more yellow. And like the other balms, it's got a firm consistency. It takes a bit of working in the palm to get it ready. It takes a little bit more working in the beard to work it right the way through. But you're rewarded with a really decent hold to your beard, and it has kept my beard looking really tidy. I do like a firm balm. You know, if you don't want that hold, then you're going to use an oil, aren't you? So if you're going to go for it, and it certainly does that, and it's left my scruffy old wiry beard looking not bad. I've been quite happy with it, in fact. Now then, as I said, they're available from sugarbeard.co.uk. I'm going to give this one a 90 out of 100. Go and check them out. That is that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you like this sort of waffling on and poor memory, and I will see you next time. Take care.